Hi, today we discuss about Autogen Car Jump Starter Battery Charger. Key specifications. Item weight, 4.15 pounds. Engine start, 4500 amp. Amperage, 4000. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Key features. The Autogen Car Jump Starter has a 12-volt built-in socket, making it versatile and mess-free. It has a portable built-in flashlight, with 3 modes, making it a great choice for dark environments. The battery charger is compatible with a QC 3.0 USB port, providing charging at lightning speed, and the ability to charge 3 devices at the same time. It has a smart battery management system, which shuts off the charger to avoid overcharging, and reduces the danger of short circuits. It is a 4500 amp battery charger with great temperature management, to avoid overheating from repeated use. We find the Autogen 4500 amp Car Jump Starter is of top-notch quality, because of its compact size and long cord. It has a great ability to jumpstart a dead engine. The battery charger is specially designed for heavy-duty engines, and delivers 4500 amp. Its battery charges 75% faster, and saves much time when recharging. The Autogen Car Jump Starter is a reliable auto product that pays a lot of emphasis to safety. It has a smart battery management system technology that ensures safety against short circuits and overcharging. The auto shutdown technology is impeccable to prevent overheating and risks of accidents. It also has a reverse hookup system that provides overload and reverses polarity protection. Pros: 50% less battery usage, 75% faster charging, smart battery management system technology, reverse polarity protection. Cons: complicated to use for beginners. Our recommendation: we like the Autogen Car Jump Starter because of its quick USB charge mechanism. It takes lesser time to jumpstart a dead engine of a bulky vehicle. The product buying link is in the description below if you want to buy it.